funny enough. Cause like we was playing the music, that shit was fun. I don't care, but that bitch, he gonna cut that bitch.
It's so fitting, bro.
Bro, you got no handle with this bitch? You got fucking subs but no handles, dude.
You got the top one. Look up. That eardrum was shaking. Dude.
I know, dude. That bitch hurt. I ain't gonna care. That bitch hurt.
I keep having like that.
A little bit.
But like,
Yeah, I wish I could roll the windows down there, but yeah. Oh, what the fuck? I just rolled down the window.
Yeah. It's like a little knob. It's like a little bit of squiggly brakes. Oh, we won't do it.
This might be the neighborhood where we saw.
Remember the fat girl?
Yeah.
Wait, was she in Miss Parsons' class?
Yeah, we saw her walking, dude.
Bro, that girl was huge. Bro, I remember one time. I remember one time I had to move from the back table to like a table like right next to her.
Smells.
Dude, I could not see, and I had to move. And Miss Parsons was like, "Go back to your back table," and I said, "I can't see." She was like, "You're near the board." I said, "Someone's blocking the way," because I didn't want to say she was blocking it. 'Cause she was fucking huge, you know what I'm saying? Like that, she probably couldn't fit in this seat right now. Like she was that big.
Like, what was that?
Just do a 180-degree angle to look back.
They just blow water in the car. Oh shit.
Yeah, probably. Christian probably got a facial.
Oh, it's raining, bro. These fucking windshield wipers suck ass.
Of course you'll be looking at some puddles.
It was that big. Dude, it was that big. I slammed on the brakes. Oh, you're
Bro, Caleb be the type of person I'm gonna read on something because he's looking at the stars while driving, bro. Like, no cap.
What the fuck is it?
Hey, y'all trying to go see the lights real quick? Okay.
What? Open gardens?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, stop by the house real quick. Let me get my money.
Huh?
Let me get my money so we can buy stuff.
What?
Nigga.
You said what?
Stop by. Dude, stop. Stop by the house real quick. My house. So I can get some money so we can buy something.
Buy something.
Yeah. I know. Craig bot remember Miss Parsons. She used to piss me off. She always think we do something bad on purpose. Like, I don't ask her a question. She always think I'm just being dumb on purpose. Like, that shit would piss me off so much.
I remember when Caleb got in trouble for writing Joe Mama on us.
Remember when you wrote Big Dukester? He wrote Big Dukester down and then wrote the dog. Like, he drew a dog on a sticky note. And he looked at me and said, "Oh, I didn't know we were supposed to send these in. Because on one side I have Joe Mama and the other one Big Dukester."
I'm still turning it in though.
Fucking hate that thing. That fucking tripped me out.
We're gonna get some Bojangles.
We're about to go get some Bojangles.
Bojangles the move?
Bojangles is the move, I swear.
Honestly, though.
Yeah, we're trying to spot me real quick though. You should see the camera quality on this hoe.
What that is, boy?
What that is. Look at that choppy 30 frames per second hit ass.
Hey.
That shit fire. Okay. That shit lasts for 24 hours too.
So you just high for 24 hours?
Yeah, my mom popped that shit on my back the other day. She was like, yeah, I don't know why my mom gave me that shit. She's like, "I got a medicine patch for you." I said, "What does it do?" She said, "Calms you down." She was like, pop that hoe on
Free
me.
smells, what the heck?
Free smell.
My mom wants you to calm down.
Yeah, I was calmed down, bro. I was playing 2K and then the fucking court got fucking blurry. And then I started laughing and I was like, wait. And then she left the room and then my brother said, "You know you're high right now, right?" I said, "Let's go." So I was high the whole
Are
day.
you really going to Bojangles right now?
Yeah, we're really going to Bojangles. Like all the places we could go to right now.
Is Bojangles the move?
Hey, get me something, Christian. I'll give you money when I get home.
I only have a 50 on me.
Nigga. He said I only have a 50. Only a 50.
Bojangles right now?
Like, I want a chicken biscuit.
Bro, get me a chicken biscuit.
Give me a chicken biscuit.
You got 50, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 14 in total. They're gonna have to give me like $40 back.
Well, that's how change works, ain't it? You
I ain't
spend-
buying Bojangles.
What? What was the point of pulling up here then?
I don't know what Caleb's doing.
You
You
told me to
said-
go to Bojangles.
Exactly. This is. He just said, I'm gonna get a chicken biscuit. He said, I ain't buying no Bojangles. Like, what is wrong with you? You just wasted so much time.
Yeah, it's my birthday today. What can I get out here for free? You a
I don't want
bitch!
to be late because of that.
My dog's gonna be like,
Did you go to Augusta, pal?
Dude, Kevin gonna come back like 6:05 and be like, I know you went to Augusta.
Don't you have your daddy's credit card though?
yo.
And use it on Bojangles.
I got all of that credit card. No, man, he said you can be checking it afterwards.
He's just gonna see Bojangles, like $50 worth of bow.
$50 worth of bow.
We're just getting bowed, you know?
We're just getting some bow. You gotta set up a day sometime in these next couple of days of us going to Bojangles.
Or we could just hang out and then like we can go to Bojangles when we're hanging out. We don't just gotta go to Bojangles.
Bojangles has to be the move. I haven't had Bojangles in 2 months.
I never had Bojangles before.
You never had it?
Nah.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no clothes.
You know my phone speakers?
Like go, you
Sounds good, don't it? Yes. That's so bad.
Oh my god. This shit ass.
Huh?
Is ass, bro.
I know.
I bring her money to check the topic. I got 19 and fold in my pocket. Gave me a number 9. Lock it, I'm mixing it. Clean that shit up and I give it right back to him. If I don't fuck with him, then I can't rap. Beat it when somebody catches him. It's a sick shit. Man, these folk got to goddamn hit this shit. No cap. I bring her hits and they check the topic. I got 19 and fold in my pocket. Hell of a year and the niggas still dropping. They wanted to stop it, but they couldn't stop it. You told a story like she was telling you. She told a story like she spit the bill. Don't get tired.
A few moments later.
What happened?
I don't even know. I don't even know. I thought I left something.
I was so scared one time. It looked like a cop car. It looked like Ford Taurus. It was scary.
Open the goddamn door, brother. All right, good night, kids.
Use code DJYT.